Agency ADOR terminates contract with NewJeans Danielle amid legal dispute. In a dramatic development in the ongoing contract conflict between K-pop powerhouse NewJeans and their management label ADOR, the agency has officially terminated the exclusive contract of NewJeans member Danielle Marsh. The announcement was made on December 29, 2025, marking a significant escalation in the months-long dispute between the group and the company. According to ADOR's statement, discussions were held with several NewJeans members, Hanni, Minji, and Danielle, following an October 30th court ruling that upheld the validity of the group's exclusive contracts with the agency. While Hanni has since chosen to remain with ADOR and talks with Minji are ongoing, ADOR concluded that Danielle could no longer continue as both a NewJeans member and an artist under the label. We determined that she cannot continue to remain with ADOR and therefore have notified her of the termination of her exclusive contract today, the agency said in its statement, explaining that it would also pursue legal measures against Danielle's family and former ADOR CEO Minji, whom the company claims bear responsibility for provoking the conflict and delaying the group's return. Background: prolonged contract dispute. The dispute began in late 2024 after NewJeans publicly announced their intent to terminate contracts with ADOR, sparking controversy in the K-pop world. ADOR responded with legal action to assert the contract's validity, leading to protracted negotiations and legal incursions that extended throughout 2025. In the aftermath of the court ruling, several members of NewJeans reconciled with the agency. Members Hanni and Hanni had already resumed activities under ADOR earlier in November, and hopes had risen that all 5 members might return to the label together. However, the decision to terminate Danielle's contract outright has significantly altered the group's trajectory. The agency cited ongoing, distorted, and biased information as a factor that contributed to misunderstandings and prolonged the dispute, though specifics were not publicly detailed. Industry and fan reaction. The announcement has sent shockwaves through the K-pop community, with many fans expressing concern about NewJeans' future as a full 5-member group. Danielle's departure raises questions about the group's structure and forthcoming activities, including potential music releases and promotional plans. Media outlets are also reporting that ADOR may soon release further details about the conflict in a future briefing. What this means going forward. At this point, NewJeans' comeback as a complete lineup appears uncertain, with Danielle's exit marking a pivotal shift. Hanni's continuation with ADOR and Minji's ongoing negotiations leave room for partial group activities, but Danielle's absence will undoubtedly impact the group's dynamic and long-term plans. Fans, industry watchers, and other stakeholders are awaiting further statements from both ADOR and the artists involved as this situation continues to evolve. Be in the know of everything trending today. At the Know.